It looks pretty, doesn't it? I mean, you can do all types of anything you can do with whipped cream, you can do with this type of buttercream, and I can assure you it tastes delicious. So I'm just going to get a slice of the cake. Hello, welcome to my class on, guess what? Cassata modified Russian buttercream. Wow, yes. Now this is the buttercream you have been waiting for. That is the buttercream that's gonna make your cakes wow. I mean, when your clients taste it, they'll say, wow, there's something about this cake, and they'll keep coming back for more. I call it Cassata modified because I have modified it, because the original Russian buttercream doesn't use vegetable shortening, but I have adapted ours to use vegetable shortening because of our weather, so it can hold up in tropical weather. Okay, so maybe if you're in a very cold country, yeah, you can use all butter, but I mean, we don't want cakes that the decoration will be falling all over itself and all over the place when we're in our tropical region. So I just recommend vegetable shortening for this buttercream. Okay, and it gives a nice white color. Right, so we have 225 grams of vegetable shortening here, and then we have 390 grams of Cassata sweetened condensed milk. I mean, you can buy your condensed milk from the shops, but I mean, why buy when you can make? So you can also make Cassata sweetened condensed milk. You can learn that. I have a module, just that condensed milk module, where you can learn how to make your own sweetened condensed milk, so you're not running everywhere to buy condensed milk, and it's a very fast process. Okay, now, so we have 390 grams of sweetened condensed milk, and we have 225 grams of vegetable shortening, and then we have our flavoring. We have oil, orange oil. I like the way it comes out, you know, the orange oil. Okay, so it looks really, it tastes really nice with orange oil, or you could use any other. You could use strawberry oil, you could use vanilla oil, but that's half a teaspoon of orange oil, because orange oil is strong. You know, these oils are strong, so sometimes when you ask that these oils are so expensive, but you just use a little, so it lasts you a very long time. Okay, so to learn how to make our Cassata modified Russian buttercream. Right, so now we have a vegetable shortening in our mixer bowl, and we're going to mix it on high speed until light and fluffy. Okay, so we're just going to release that down, and then right, I want to scrape it, scrape the sides down. Okay, so we get it all. So I'll just scrape this off the spoon, the wooden spoon, and then continue with the mixing. Okay. Right, so we want to check the fluffiness of our cream. It's nice and fluffy. We'll just leave it for another 3 minutes and we're good to go. Okay. All in, if we whip for about 10 minutes, we should have a very nice fluffy shortening, vegetable shortening. Okay, so we're going to put it in for another 3 minutes and we're done. Right, so we're done here. Our cream shortening is now really nice and creamy. It's fluffed up. It's about doubled its initial size, and now we're good to go for our next step. I just want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you, I love you, I see you. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, and sharing. I really appreciate you. And if you are just seeing me today for the first time, I say welcome to the family. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have gained a thing or two, or you will still gain a thing or two before the video runs out. And if you do, can you please do me a favor? Yes, please. Something that really makes a difference to this channel is if you can like or subscribe or make a comment, ask a question, or press the bell notifications. Do all four and we will appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining the family. Thank you to all of you who have also liked in the past and subscribed and commented and press the bell notifications. We appreciate you. I appreciate you greatly. Now I have something also that I have prepared specially for my subscribers. You know, I can't have all the videos of my recipes. I have hundreds of recipes, okay, but I have compiled my recipes into an amazing recipe book. Okay, I have various recipe books for all my recipes. Now if you're interested in recipes like this in this video or other recipes that you can find on this channel, I have an ebook for you that will even take you further. My ebooks are highly detailed. My ebooks have instructor's notes. Some have macros. There's so much detail. There's so much more than you can get in a video like this. I hold you step by step. Now, if you want any of my ebooks or you want to know the ebooks that I have, please click the link in the description box and you will get the ebooks. I also have a baking app where you can learn conversions. You can have instant conversions of over 180 ingredients and more, because we continue to update. So if you want something like that at your fingertips, So click the link in the description box and you can have instant access to my baking app. You can also have the opportunity to order any of my ebooks. Just go to the description box and you'll get all the information right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment or ask a question, or press the bell notifications. Thank you. God bless you. Right, so we're going to start pouring in our sweetened condensed milk into our mix, our cassata sweetened condensed milk. The good thing about ours is that it's somewhat thicker than the regular condensed milk, so it even helps. So we're going to put like a third of it, okay, and then we're going to whip, and then we add, so we'll just start slowly. Right, so we're going to add another third. So we'll add it 3 times, each time taking a third. Okay. That's another third of our sweetened condensed milk, which we are adding in. Okay, so okay, so we're just adding in our final third of our sweetened condensed milk. Okay. And we're going to we're just going to pour in our orange oil, and then we're going to whip. Okay, let me lift this up. So just want to make sure okay, it's really nice and fluffy. No grit like the regular buttercream gives. It's just fluffy, soft, melt in your mouth, and ooh, it's delicious. Lovely with any type of cake. Okay. Right, so we're done. We have our delicious, fluffy, melt in your mouth buttercream, Russian buttercream, cassata modified. We're now going to have it with some chocolate cake, just to show you how delicious it really is. Right, so here we are with our cassata modified Russian buttercream. Okay, so I'm just doing some pattern on the cake, and I'm just going to top it with some fruits. Okay, just to have something fancy. Right, that didn't stay. Okay, okay, so it looks pretty, doesn't it? I mean, you can do all types of anything you can do with whipped cream, you can do with this type of buttercream, and I can assure you it is delicious. So I'm just going to get a slice of the cake with the cream. This is divine. Okay, that's just what I can call it. Divine. So easy to make. It tastes like some of those cakes you get in those European cafes with that delicious cream. This is the cream used in most European bakeries. It melts in your mouth. It just melts. It's super fluffy, super tasty. It's just the best. Bon appetit.